Today we are reviewing this winter hat that comes with LED lights built in. As we take it out of its packaging, we not only see the tag from the manufacturer, but we can see the light, and we also get some use and care instructions. The first thing we see is the lamp with the power button right in the middle. We push it once and it's illuminated at 100%. We push it again and it's illuminated at 50%. And we push it a third time and it's down to 25%, the lowest setting. If we push it another time, it will turn the lamp off. The battery on the headlamp will last anywhere from 2.5 to 8 hours depending on the setting you have it at. If you need to charge the LED light, all you need to do is flip it over and it removes from the cap very easily. And then this plastic piece on the end, you just need to pull it off, and then you can insert this tip into any USB charger. So for example, all I need to do is do that and plug it into the wall and I can charge it. You can also put it in any USB port on your computer. So when I plug it into the outlet, you will notice that there is a red light that indicates it's charging. When it is fully charged, the light changes from red to green.